Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will mainly talk about the hormonal control of the male reproductive system. So there are several hormones which act on the male reproductive system to make it functional. And today we will look into them and we will do it in a manner of flowchart to make them easy and understandable. At first, the hypothalamus releases the GnRH or gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone, GnRH. So this GnRH in turn acts on the anterior pituitary. अब anterior pituitary एक्टिवेट हो गया है, सो क्या होगा, एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी से कुछ हार्मोन्स निकलेगा. इट विल बी ICSH एंड FSH. सो ICSH क्या है? इंटरस्टिशियल सेल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन. इंटरस्टिशियल सेल स्टिमुलेटिंग hormone. And FSH क्या है? Follicle stimulating hormone. ICSH and FSH are two hormones which act on the Leydig cells. Leydig cells and seminiferous tubules. So FSH and ICSH acts on the Leydig cells and seminiferous tubules. The Leydig cells generally releases testosterone. Now testosterone activates the male reproductive part and seminiferous tubules are also activated by the testosterone. So which in turn produces more sperms. So Leydig cells activates the accessory cells to sex glands and also activates the seminiferous tubules to produce more sperms. These sperms, in presence of testosterone and all other hormones released, develops to produce mature sperms. So let's recap what happens. The hypothalamus is the primary place from where the first type of hormone is secreted. It's called the gonadotropin releasing hormone called the GnRH. GnRH activates the pituitary, anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary से ICSH and FSH is released. So ICSH and FSH in turn activates the Leydig cells and the seminiferous tubules. The Leydig cells produces testosterone, which activates the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules produces the sperms and develops them in presence of ICSH, FSH and testosterone.